data which we have got from the practical, we represented it as a graph. Here we can see that the number of days and number of leaves, in which we can observe that as the number of days were increasing, number of leaves were decreasing. Similarly, we have made the curve graph because it is easier to observe. Then here also the graph is coming downwards. It means leaves were not surviving. Similarly, the graph of fishes is like this. This is also in decreasing position because fishes were eliminating as per the days were increasing. This is the graph representation of basic data from the basic data of analysis. We can observe today that our Taj Mahal, which is the great pride of our India, is going to become yellow. As we can see today that the Taj Mahal, which is the great pride of our India, is becoming yellowish because of the acid rain. So from this whole project we can conclude that in this experiment children will understand the adverse effect of increasing acidity on the organism in an aquatic ecosystem. They will also understand the root causes of increasing acidity in the environment and will think over the problem. They will take necessary precautions measuring for their living and well-being. Also, acid rain is terrible for the environment and it is dangerous to all living organisms, as we have seen in our practical. It can endanger the aquatic life, which is essential part of the food chain, as we cannot survive without food chain, because aquatic animals like fishes are the major parts of our daily food. It can destroy historic monuments and statues, and we don't want that, like our Taj Mahal. So from here, how we can prevent the acidic rain? The solutions we have concluded on this problem is filter and from our observations and practicals, we have made some solutions on this problem. So the first problem is filter and detoxify the water used by the factories before returning in the river. As we see that the factories return their polluted water in river directly. Because of that, much of the fishes get dead. Second solution, reduce the emission of pollutant gases by industry. As we are seeing, industries were emitting the pollutant gas directly. They are not doing the third solution is switching over the alternative forms of energy such as geothermal, water, wind and solar power. It would help to a great event. From this whole experiment and project, we have made the conclusion that fishes are the very essential part of our life. Without fishes, our food chain get disturbed. Hence, we have to save fishes and as well as aquatic animals, which are not directed in this project, but they are also important for our nature.